All right, number 20. A segment with the endpoints of 5, 2. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and label this. A is 5, 2. And 2, 4, that's B, is shown on the graph. Draw a rectangle on the coordinate plane using the given segment as one side. Label the remaining points as C and D. Okay, so I know that in order to draw a rectangle, I know by definition that I'm going to have opposite sides are congruent, and I also know that all 4 of my angles inside my rectangle have to be 90 degrees. Like, that's part of the definition. So I'm going to use my knowledge of slope to create 90-degree angles. So the first thing I have to do is I have to find the slope of BA. Okay, so when I look at B, I see that in order to get to A, I have to go down 1, 2, and over 1, 2, 3. So the slope of BA is fall 2 and run 3. I know that my new lines that I'm going to create, which is going to be letter C over here, line BC, it's going to be somewhere, and line AD, I know those have to have a slope that is a negative reciprocal. So the slope of line CB is got to be the negative reciprocal of BA. So the opposite of a negative is a positive, and the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. Okay, so my new line is going to have a slope of 3/2. So that means that I am going to 1, 2, 3, back 1, 2. I can put a dot right there. So right here is going to be my point C. All right, I'm going to erase this one back here that I used for reference. Let's get rid of, well, it's not going to let me erase it. Okay, we'll just draw a line through it. All right, so now I need to draw that line there. So there's my new line. All right, so now I can do this 2 different ways. I can either leave from C and follow the slope of BA, or I can leave from A and follow this perpendicular slope that I got over here. I'm going to leave from C and do what BA did. So what I did before is we know over here that it's -2, 1, 2, and positive 1, 2, 3. So right here is going to be that dot. So I'm going to put that dot right there, and that's going to be D. All right, so I'm going to draw my line. All right, so here comes the fun part. Draw a rectangle on the coordinate plane, and I have to explain algebraically how I know that my figure is a rectangle. Okay, I'm going to start out by saying that the slope and the slope of CD are parallel. Okay. I can say the same about the slope of BC and the slope of AD. Okay, so I know that that's parallel. All right, now the other thing I have to do, so I've proven parallels. The other thing that I have to do is I have to prove that I have 90-degree angles. So I'm going to say the slope of BC is perpendicular to the slope of CD. The slope of BC is perpendicular to the slope of BA. Okay, and there's my answer.